Hello everyone, welcome to Technography Solutions. In this video, we are going to see how can we get live data from Google Sheets to Excel so that you will not have to log into your Gmail or Google Sheet account again and again to get data from Google Sheets into Excel. So let's get started. Our first step would be go to the File menu, then Publish to Web. Select Sheet and then select comma separated value and publish. You need to select OK when it prompts message that are you sure you want to publish this section. Click on OK. Then it will provide you a link which you need to copy. Then close this window. Then you need to go to the Excel where click on data from text and paste link here. Click on open. It will take couple of seconds. Then you have to keep it on delimited. Click on next. Here you need to uncheck tab option and check on comma. You can see a result appearing here. Click on next and finish. Here you need to go to the properties option. Then you need to uncheck this option, prompt for file name on the refresh. And I want Excel to auto adjust column width, so I am not changing this option so that Excel will auto adjust column width after fetching data from Google Sheet. Then click on OK. Then you can select cell name. So A1 is fine for me, so I am just clicking OK. Here you go. Data contained in Google Sheet is now in Excel. Whenever you want to refresh this data, you just need to go refresh all button and click on refresh. It will automatically recall the data from Google Sheet. So for example, I'm going in Google Sheet again and I'm typing some text in column I. Then you need to go to refresh button to refresh the data. The changes which I made in Google Sheets are now appearing in Excel also. If you are not getting updated data into Excel, try clicking on the refresh button a couple of times. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit like button. Thank you.